Hello guys, this tutorial is in the continuation of previous tutorial. So in the previous tutorials we have seen private, default one and the protected access specifier. Now it's a time to jump on public access specifier. For understanding purpose it is very simple. You can use in the same class, same package, subclass also, and in the other package also you can use the public access specifier. There is no limitation at all. So public access specifier is accessible anywhere and it has the widest scope among all other modifiers. So it can be used like that. Before class you can use public, before method you can use public, and you can show any code there. So this is the way of representing public access specifier. And once you use the public access specifier, that content you can easily use in the other package, or you can easily use in the inheritance concept also. So now we directly move on the Eclipse, and there we will see how you can use the public access specifier in the same and other packages. So here I open the Eclipse and we will start from the beginning for your understanding. First you create the new project, and here I am giving public project. You can give any name, and after creating project, here it's my project, you will get the src folder. Straight away create the package. We will use same kind of name, pack. Once you create the package, you have to click on that package and add the class. Here you give the name A. You can give any name, and I will add the main method. Click on finish. So here this is my class. Here the previous one I close it for avoiding confusion. So now this is the a.java, okay, that is present in the package. Now I will create one more package here. So again I click on src and click here. Pack1 is my new package. So this is the separate package, and here we will add one class file without main method. So that is the class B. So we have created our structure, pack and pack1. These are the two different package having one file. Here it's a.java and here it's a b.java. So here in the class B, I will add here, by default it is public, and here I will add one method, public void show. Output statement is, here we have class B. So this is my output statement which is showing the code B. Okay, our output statement is B. Now I want to access in A. So first you have to import package, and our package was pack1. You see here it is pack1 dot. Use it that class because here this pack1 containing B class. So after that import statement, here you can declare the object of that B directly. Then you observe here we have created the B object, and inside that class we have show method. So straight away you can write b.show, and now you are ready to run the program and take the data from B. So here the error is coming, so we will check that error. So here we forgot to give the semicolon, and now it will work out, and you observe here our output is B. So here the important thing is we have public content, and you can use it here directly. If you use the inheritance concept, then also you can use. How you can use the access specifier content in inheritance, that we had already seen when I taught you the protected access specifier. So in case of public, you can directly use content. For example, here we have public, so we use directly here by creating the object of beam. So I hope friend you understood this tutorial, and here you have learned you can use this public content in the same package and other package also. So I hope friend you understood this tutorial. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.